there's that thing down there.
Yeah, it's like marbles or no dominoes.
Yeah, it's dominoes. I think it's really neat.
Do you think Orion could tell us about it?
Yeah, I want Orion to tell me about it. Orion, could you tell Dada about it?
No, I want him to tell us.
Yeah, me too.
This part. So down here, these two I made, but then this Dada made.
Does it go uphill?
Yep.
Whoa, that's
And then
neat.
they go like down there. Well, this is my trick. Then they go to this fail-safe tower. Pretty cool. We learned it just yesterday. Then this is actually the fail-safe part of it. Goes into the trick we learned quite a long time ago, and then goes back there.
You think it'll actually work?
Yeah, pretty certain. The last time we did this and we made the wall, the only problem was that it didn't make the dominoes back there full.
Oh, you're saying the wall didn't work?
No, the wall worked. It just didn't make it stopped at that spot.
Oh, it did not trigger the next stage, is that right?
Yeah, it didn't trigger the next dominoes.
Oh.
Something went wrong.
Hey guys, if it works, does that mean we all get to eat wombat food? Hey, you are kicked out of the stadium. But I gotta eat wombat food. Oh no, Orion, he's kicked out.
I know he is. He has to.
Hey, you know what? I don't know if I'm going to be able to hear it.
Yeah, it's pretty far away.
Hey guys, you know what they have? I hear they have headsets.
What, that we can use?
Yeah, maybe we could rent the headsets or something.
Not with the people who are kicked out, because if you're kicked out, you can't hear.
Oh, but can they hear it? Can Mr. Monkey hear it?
They have to be able.
Oh, okay.
But if you're kicked out, you can't.
Did you guys hear that?
Yeah, I think that sounds good.
Yeah, we're interested to hear if it goes.
And it's the thing that's supposed to happen. If you get kicked out, you need headsets so you can hear.
Okay, that sounds good. And we're not gonna get kicked out. Well, I just wish I had some fish. Hey, that's your last warning. If you talk about fish, you're kicked out of the stadium.
Yeah, just talk about banana milkshakes and pizza.
But I don't want banana milkshake or pizza.
Okay, but don't talk about what you just talked about.
Constipated.
Hey guys, that looks really, really tall. Like it took about 3 days to build. You know what I haven't done in 3 days?
Hey, don't talk about that.
Yeah, don't say the word.
Well, but I ate a whole lot of food and...
Don't talk about it.
Yeah, guys, I heard that we shouldn't talk about it, but you know what? I drank a lake on the way over, and now I really need to...
Hey, don't say it. Don't say it. Don't say it.
Yeah, if you say it, you'll get kicked out.
Guys, I feel like something's gonna happen.
Hey, don't talk about that.
Orion, what should they do?
I don't know. Just let them be.
Okay.
This is the stadium. Let them be unless they get kicked out.
Okay. They just have to hope that yeet poop doesn't fall on their heads or something like that.
You put fell on Mr. Monkey's head.
Oh no, all the yeeps are up above them. Oh man, is it falling on them?
It
Yeah,
fell
I
on
think it
Mr.
did.
Yeah, it got me too.
Hey, it got me as well. Oh man, it got me also.
Hey, I think it's almost ready to go.
Yeah, I heard that they're counting down. Hey, are you counting down?
No,
Oh,
not yet.
is it time to start it?
Soon.
Soon.
Did
Okay.
you take many pictures?
Oh, Mama's taking
You
pictures
are in the
right now.
good
Oh, oops.
position.
1, 2, make it.
Wait, is it really gonna start?
Yeah, I think so.
Wait, count it.
Oh, it's going. Uh-oh. He'd better fix that.
Ooh.
1, 2, 3.
Yay!
Hey, that was cool.
I think it just didn't pull. I think you didn't make the rope tight enough.
Oh, that might be, or maybe not enough force on the domino that fell on it.
Orion, this
Hey, that was really cool.
Yeah, and they did the wall separately.
I don't think they really meant to do the wall separately. Guys, I'm gonna poop now. Hey, you are kicked out. You have to leave now. Orion, he's kicked out. He talked about poop. Oh no, it's sprayed out.
Whoa, it's just us three again.
Yeah.
No, 4.
Oh, and jeeps.
And a giraffe. Oh no, look what happened. Hey, you're kicked out. It really is just us now.
Yeah, just us.
Okay, good night, folks. Bye.